Right, so this is the left side, the driver's side, and I just wanted to record and remember how things were. So at the bottom, this adjuster, you'll see that the sharp point over here, this is the pivoting side, is on the back, and up here, the adjuster is a little more front biased, right? Because this is where the screw is, right, in the front. Then we are going to go to the passenger side. I'm doing this for my memory. I feel like it should be either the same or the opposite, you know, a reflection of that one. Anyway, here, what you have is, the sharp side is facing the front, just like the other side. This is the right side. But then here, this is facing the back. It is the opposite. Well, yeah, up top it's... Anyway, you get it. The screw is in the back. I don't think the screw really matters too much, but I'm going to have to confirm with the manual.